Hi everyone, this is Marquise from Pickup Media. Just doing a quick video from Sydney, Australia. I've got this beautiful Marquise ruby inside the GemLightbox Macro. So just to show you how the ruby looks, we'll do a quick video. So the GemLightbox Macro has a 10 times zoom. So even though this is a smaller size stone, we can see all the details on the stone. And as always, we're getting a very high color accuracy and that nice white background. Absolutely gorgeous. We also have other video options as well. So we have 90 and 45 degree videos where the stone moves back and forth. This is the 45 degree. And lastly, we can do a photo of the stone. Getting some really good details on there. We also have a daylight option, so we can actually show you with a yellow light. So we're just going to adjust the brightness. And this is for anyone who wants to get a warmer color inside the stone. So you do have that option as well. I'm going to quickly compare the real stone to the videos that we just took. Thank you for your interest in the GemLightbox Macro. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.